Hey there, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Stephanie. I am a classically trained pastry chef, and today I'm demonstrating how to make mango creme brulees. This recipe creates a creamy dessert with a tropical twist. It's baked in ramekins and topped with a thin layer of caramelized sugar. So let's get started. Start by peeling 2 ripe mangoes and cutting them into 1/4 inch cubes. Place 1/2 cup of the mango cubes into a food processor and blend until smooth to make a mango puree. Set aside for later. In a heavy-duty saucepan, add 5 egg yolks, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Place the pan over medium-low heat and whisk until the mixture begins to steam. Keep whisking the whole time. If you stop, the eggs might cook too quickly and turn into scrambled eggs. Slowly pour 1 2/3 cups of heavy cream and 1/3 cup of mango puree into the saucepan, whisking constantly as you do. Keep whisking and heating the mixture until it starts to steam. Remove the pan from the heat. Pour the mixture through a mesh sieve set over a bowl. This will catch any bits of cooked egg or mango that may have clumped together. Arrange 5 4-ounce ramekins in a baking dish with sides that are at least 2 inches high. Add 2 tablespoons of mango chunks to each ramekin. Pour the custard over the mangoes, dividing it equally between the ramekins. Carefully pour hot water into the baking dish, making sure it comes up at least halfway up the size of the ramekins. This water bath helps the custard cook evenly. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. After baking, use a pair of tongs to carefully transfer the ramekins to a wire rack. Let them cool to room temperature and then place them in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours to chill and fully set. Once the custard has set, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of raw sugar evenly over the top. Using a kitchen torch, carefully heat the sugar until it melts and forms a crisp caramelized layer. For best texture, serve within a few minutes of caramelizing, as the top will begin to soften quickly. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.